What's up, guys? This is JJ, and I'm going to give you guys a little tour of my van. This is a 1985 Ford Econoline that I got back in the spring, and spent all summer working on it and building it out, and so I wanted to do a little video to show you guys how it all turned out. So we're going to start with the outside here. Yeah, I painted this outside with some stuff called Raptor liner, and yeah, it came on pretty good. The van was all rusty. Here, come closer. And as you can see, it's got that like textured look, but it turned out pretty good. I did a black and then a shoreline beige and white on top to kind of reflect the sun, and blacked out the rims. Yeah, that was the paint. And then me and my friend Scott, shout out to Scott for helping me build this awning. Turned out sick. Use PVC pipe, tarp, some paint roller poles that are adjustable, and it just sticks out on the van, which is pretty cool. And keep going. I tinted the windows black. I'll show you some pictures of what it looked like before. Here we have my kitchen setup. So I've got 10 gallons of water that I carry with me, and I can have another adjustable water jug to have 15. Got the Coleman stove, classic table. Got a 11-pound propane tank for cooking. And then rinse kit, a little dishes area right here. And then I have a little carrier with a gas can where the propane goes. Put this roof rack on here off of Amazon. It's like $50. And this is where my wetsuit hangs and dries. Got all the boards down here, and sticker window. This is kind of the shower setup. All the soap, and this 3-gallon bag kind of heats up in the sun, and you can take a quick little sprinkle of a shower. And yeah, that's basically the whole outside. So on top I have a 100-watt solar panel and the fantastic roof vent thing. So you can see that right in the middle there, and then this Highland roof rack. And here we have driver's seat. Pretty comfy. Baja blanket. Put some turf down. You can be barefoot friendly if you want. Yeah, that's the cockpit. And yeah, I'll also show you the inside. Turf map that I use for the run. Like an 8-foot turf roll from Home Depot. Put it everywhere. Yeah, this is the inside. Put plywood down on the floor, and then this laminate stick flooring. And my friend Scott Moss helped me with this metal edging. And my passenger seat flips around, so this is kind of like the living room, hangout area. And I got this Barney fridge, it's a 25-liter fridge, and it's powered by this battery, this Jackery 500-watt battery. So my 100-watt solar panel comes in here. And yeah, it keeps up pretty well with the fridge. And I built this box for it, this little cubby as well. And then me and my friend Scott built this little counter along with these counters. And this is where I store all my food, just a bunch of food bins. Here we have another surfboard. fit 2 boards back here. And, toilet paper, paper towels.
The essentials.
And here I have my kitchen. I'll get the lights on. Got some LED lights, which is cool. And this is the kitchen tub. It pulls out. I'll show you the back later. And then here is all my clothes. Don't need too much. Fit it all in there. We got the bed. Bed's pretty comfy. Can barely fit this way, but it works pretty good. Got this blanket for privacy. And I use this material to cover all the windows because you can take them out and put them back in and it reflects heat, which is pretty nice. So yeah, I stripped the whole van and put this thing in, fan which is powered, and then I made ceiling panels. I insulated the ceiling, made the ceiling panels with the help of Farwit, and yeah, ran all the wiring down. And I actually ran out of this wood, so I used this nice reed bamboo fencing for the front of the van, which looks kind of cool, gives little beach vibes. And yeah, I'm trying to think of what else. Guess we can go check out the back storage of the van. Back. See, I made all these door cards, and I put that stuff in here to make kind of some cubbies to turn all the doors, extra storage. Back here I have my big toilet, which I try not to use, but do if I need to. And compressor, more water, oil, everything for the car, first aid kit, bunch of storage in there. On this side, where the boards go. Longboard goes on top, 2 footboards here, and just 2 storage things, a thing of firewood, all the surf gear. Got a little pouch here. Gotta have lots of storage. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're here at undisclosed location in Baja Mexico. There's a couple people surfing. Surfed this morning. Let's see if we can get a little wave here. This thing's coming in a little bit. Yeah, over here we have the complete setup. Got my yoga mat to stretch, chairs and a fireplace to hang out. Yeah, anything else you need to know? This is the van, this is the life. Alright, so that was the full tour of the van, and if you want more info, if you're looking to build one out or you want to know how I built certain things, then just hit me up or go to my Instagram. There's a whole story on all the pictures of my build. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.